Good day everyone, my name is Linmark Tilamayo from DPED 2A and today we're going to play bamboo shooting. This bamboo shooting composed of two teams with two or more than players. This game is race against time. You need accuracy and speed in order to win this game. Okay, in this game we need bamboo as gun, wet papers as bullet, and the object that we're going to aim is this. There are three stations, and as the group get ready, you must aim to the targets at the fastest time that you can. And also, this game has three stations, and each station that you pass, the the distance of the targets get far. As the third station, as you approach the third station, the target is almost at 7 meters. That's all, and good luck everyone.